Hi everybody, and welcome to Wednesday, October 13th. For today's a short day. It's modified, so we moved fairly quickly through today. Today I had you guys work as your do now your quill diagnostic. We were done with our 30-day writing challenge. You guys took a quill test just to see where your grammar skills are. Just as a reminder, if you need help, you'll go under classwork, under important links. Here will be the quill link. This is how you will log in and access your quill for your daily do nows. Okay, so we did quill, our diagnostics. I will assign you guys quill packs over the week. I did binder check with you guys, and then we finished up our King of Maisie May discussion and think questions. So you guys did think questions on them. I'm trying to get you guys more prepared for our test. So here is vocab from Monday. Our vocab predictions also from Monday, our 30-day writing challenge from Tuesday, and our think questions, which were technically yesterday and today, okay? So this is it. Let's go over it really quick. Binder check, of course, we did that. These are the different types of discussion questions we went over. If you are working from home, I would still look at them. They'll help you with the test, of course, so just having these discussions with you guys is super helpful. Then we worked on our think questions because those will be due Sunday, October 17th. You guys know the drill at 11:59. We also looked at their predictions. I wanted to hear if your original predictions were right or not because I hadn't heard them. So that was our exit ticket for today. Alright guys, as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me before or after school. Send me an email and I'll reach out to you. Other than that, I'll see you guys in class. Bye.